Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to Detailing with Chad, where we mainly focus on local or store-bought products. And what I mean by that is anything you don't order on the internet. Anything you can drive down, pick up at your local parts store, hardware store, Home Depot store, whatever it is. So that being said, it has been about a week and a half since we have put the Meguiar's Ultimate Ceramic Coating on the Mustang, and I was trying to not have to drive the car for a couple weeks and just let it sit and cure. It says it takes up to 7 days to fully cure. It did sit for almost 7 days. I think it sat for 6 days and before I actually took it out of garage. Now, about 2 days ago, the wife drove it and she got caught in a little bit of rain. And now it's got a bunch of water spots and dirt. It's dusty and dirty, but I don't want to wash it. I want to try to see if it's kept everything from sticking to it to where a quick detailer will just wipe it right off. I'm not a huge fan of quick detailers. I mainly use them after a wash to just kind of brighten it up and kind of bring back the color of it. But most of your detailers are mainly supposed to be used for them in between washes. Well, I'm not ready to wash it yet. I want to do a 2-week update on the Meguiar's, so we're going to use this to just wipe the car down. Now, yes, it will probably add a little bit of protection on top of the Meguiar's, which in all the videos I've seen probably can't hurt it. So, but my main focus of this video is the Meguiar's still slick enough without ever being washed, being touched, to where all you need is a quick detailer, just wipe the dust off, the dirt off. And when you see the car, you'll see, I'll show you, there's a little bit more than just light dust and fingerprints. So if you guys would, please like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want notified on more videos. And that being said, let's get into the video. Let's get to the car and let's see how Meguiar's or Griots Best of Show can pull dust and water spots off of a black car. Alright, you can see it's basically just water spots. Got caught in a sprinkle about 2 days ago. I ain't had time to mess with it. There's a little bit of bugs on the windshield, but other than that. So let's get the product out and get at it. So first off, you always shake up your products. Get better. Go here. And on the directions it says, sorry, my son is in the pool having time of his life. Shake well, working one small area at a time. Best of Show detailer lightly onto the paint and spread over surface with a clean PFM detailing towel or microfiber cloth. Quickly turn the towel over and buff to a high luster. It also states that you can use this in direct sunlight, just work at a faster pace. It just says Miss Cylinder. And we'll be using their, what do they call them? Finished detailing towels from Platinum. It's a Platinum Series towel. I don't know if I like it yet. If I do, then I'll make a video on them. If they're trash, then we're not. Take it. I'll pull the other side. And there we be. Now, the scratches that's in it, there's already in it. Now, when you're doing this, you don't want to use a lot of force. Just pull one direction. Take a clean towel. It does a pretty good job. One direction. Towel over. Now a little trick I usually do, if it's a dirtier spot, I'll use more of the product. It's not what they state to do, but because it can be pretty dirty. All in all, she looks pretty good. Show you guys the top here. I ain't gonna lie, stuff smells amazing. And it looks good, nice and shiny. They just wipe on, wipe off. Pretty simple. See how it does on vinyl? The hood is wrapped, so once your towel gets so saturated or too dirty, flip over. Take your dry towel. Oh wow, nice and slick. I'm gonna lie, I like it. So what do you guys think? If you want, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite quick detailer? What do you guys use? What's your process? Do you have a favorite Pacific one? Now how long this will last, I don't know. But it made it slick. Sorry, it sounds like I'm losing my voice, but it made it slick, it's shining. We'll get it all wiped down and we'll pull it outside and we'll see what it looks like. And if you're wondering if it works on glass, let's find out. Wiped right off, it didn't streak, it didn't smear. Oh, not too shabby. So yeah, I'll set you up here, put a time lapse out, and we'll go from there. Man, she's shiny, guys. She is shiny. Now, that took me roughly about 25 minutes just to wipe the whole car down. So I'll be honest, I would still rather wash the car. It's safer. In my opinion, you take a big risk of wiping down a dirty car, no matter what you use. But as you can see, I don't know how much come up on camera, but she's shiny. She is shiny. Oh, missed spot. Alright, so you just wipe the whole car down. I pulled it out in the sun. I don't know how good a video it got out in the sun, but it's clean. It is clean. It is shiny. It looks good. I'm really impressed. But that being said, like I said earlier, I would still rather wash the car. I don't use a whole lot of quick detailers other than after I'm done washing it, just to kind of bring the shine back. I don't like to use them to clean it because, like I said, all it takes is to catch one piece of dirt that you didn't notice and drag across the paint, and now you're either buffing and polishing or repainting. So that being said, always be careful. I went through probably 7-8 towels just to be on the safe side of change the towels and just rotate them, and yeah. But if you guys would, please like, please subscribe. I know this is just a quick little video. The car was dirty. I went to clean it, and I thought this would be a good way to make videos. So if you guys would like to see more stuff like this, let me know. If you don't like this stuff, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.